Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. It's going to be a little different than normal because I am gonna try heatless curls with you guys on camera today. I feel like I'm always really lazy to do anything with my hair. This is my natural hair. It's like basically pin straight. So I feel like unless Henny's mom does my hair, because she does it so beautifully every time, I don't do anything to it and it's always just like this or it's up in a ponytail. So I wanted to see if like something like this would make my routine a little bit easier and like I could have nice hair sometimes. So that's what today's gonna be all about. We're gonna try this out together, see if it actually works, see what it does, see how these curls turn out, and I'll let you know if I think it is worth it. So before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see me try out the heatless curls, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so before we actually put this in my head, I want to just like read the details for you guys. So I got it from Ulta. This is from the brand KITSCH, which is like a hair tool brand, I guess, or like hair piece brand from Ulta, or at least I always see it there. By the way, I'm not like good at hair stuff. Like I feel like my expertise or like my stuff that I talk mostly about is makeup. So this is like not as familiar to me. So I'm so sorry if my verbiage is off. I don't know. So this is the Holiday Satin 5-piece Heatless Styling gift set. So what do you know? A gift from me to me, my favorite kind. So this comes with 5 pieces and it goes for $20. So you get like that actual like silky satiny headpiece, and then you get the 2 scrunchies. You get like a roller, like a Velcro roller for like your front pieces if you want to do that, and then you get like a claw clip so you could clip the top to your head. I watched some tutorials on TikTok about this, so I hope I have it down. Bear with me. So the summary says, this charming KITSCH holiday satin 5-piece heatless styling gift set, complete with a vegan satin heatless curling set, a ceramic roller, and a claw clip, is the ultimate surprise for anyone who adores pampering their tresses. I don't adore it, but I really want to try it. It says the soft and satiny heatless curler creates beautiful bouncy curls without a single hot tool in sight. The radiant ceramic roller, perfect for adding volume to the crown of the head, while the heatless curling set is doing the magic for the rest of your hair. The claw clip is ideal for securing and organizing strands while styling. And then, like I said, it comes with a satin curling rod, satin scrunchies, claw clip, ceramic roller. And that's really all there is to it on the website. I first of all love the color. Like I think this pink like satin is gorgeous. So I'm super excited. And it has like step-by-step directions on the back in case you weren't in the mood to watch TikTok videos about this. So basically, it says to roll the front section of oh, I don't have damp hair. Let me go dampen my hair for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, my hair is slightly damp. I just put some water in it. This is like 2 or 3 day old hair, because I know you're supposed to not like wash it right away, I guess, with curly hair so that the curls hold better. So I'm trying to be better about that. I haven't seen anyone use the roller, so I don't know if I want to use it necessarily. I feel like that might be too complicated. I don't know. I feel like maybe I'll regret it if I don't. And then maybe I will regret it if I do. Sorry guys, this thing is like impossible to get open. I'm gonna set this off to the side so I could have it as reference. Do I want to do this? I feel like it's gonna be uncomfortable to sleep in and my cats are gonna mess with it. Maybe I'll skip the roller for this time because I haven't seen anybody do it with the roller, and then next time I'll try it with it to see. But you're supposed to like section your hair off in 2 down the middle. So I'm hoping this is the middle. Sorry guys, it literally took me like a century to get this open and unpackaged because they like zip tied this up. So yeah, so here are the two scrunchies. Here is the claw clip, and here is that like satin headpiece. I know it's kind of messed up now because I tried to take it out of the zip ties without using scissors, and then I ended up needing them anyways. So I think they say you're supposed to like put this on the top of your head like this, and then one side you can take like the side, tie just for now so it's not in the way. This is gonna be a struggle for me, you guys, so bear with me. And then here is this side. I'm just gonna brush my hair so it's not tangled and messed up. And then it says, or I'm just going off of what like the TikTok videos showed. So basically take like a small section from the top, tightly wrap it back, grab another piece, combine them, do the same thing, make sure not to be messy like me, and then just repeat all the way down. So I'm gonna fast forward this part for you guys. And then once you get to the end like this, wrap the little scrunchie around so it's like secured in place. I really hope I'm doing this right, you guys, and it's not gonna be a total disaster. And then I'm gonna do this because I've seen other people do that, just so it's not hanging down, I guess. And then you can take the scrunchie off of this side and repeat the same process. So I'll like zoom through it again. And there we go. I have successfully made myself look psychotic. So I thought I was gonna use the claw clip, honestly, more than I did, and I kind of forgot about it. So maybe that's why it looks a little bit messier than it should. Like I might later on, or right after I get off the camera, take this side out and redo it. But I didn't really need this for anything because I used the scrunchie instead. So I guess I technically didn't need to use this. It felt really weird to do it, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I felt like kind of uncomfortable, but once I got the hang of it, it got a little bit easier. So it wasn't too bad. I am just hoping that I actually get some curls out of this. I got all the hairs. Only downside, some of the hairs, like the stray hairs, were like sticking to this satin piece. So if you like don't catch those and like take them off of that and wrap them around, you might end up with like some straight hairs on there because they do tend to like stick to that if your hair has gotten a little bit drier while trying to figure this out. So just keep that in mind. That's the only thing. But right now this feels good. This feels like comfortable, actually, way more comfortable than I thought it was gonna be. I tried to do this once with like the tie thing from a robe and it was so uncomfortable to sleep in. So I'm really hoping that this is comfy once I go to sleep tonight. And then tomorrow morning, once I wake up and I'm like getting ready to go for the day, I'll come back and I'll show you guys like what this looks like. We'll take it out together, see what the final result is, and I'll let you know if I think it's worth it. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning for just final thoughts and let you know what I think. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, I am back. So I'm in the same clothes. I was about to go to bed and I already put my ring away. And then I realized tomorrow morning I have like a bunch of stuff going on. So I can't film in the morning before I have a chance to take this off. So it's been about 5 hours. I feel like that's been like more than enough time for me to let this like marinate and for like my somewhat damp hair to dry all the way. So I feel like I'm like ready to take this out, and I also feel pretty confident because I did take this side out as soon as I was done filming so I could like re-wrap it, because I felt like it looked kind of off. Like now the sides are kind of even, I feel like, and that's what I wanted to make sure of. So when I took it out, the hair was curly, you guys, and I only had this in for like 10 minutes when I did take it out. So I am feeling very confident that we're gonna see some curls here in a couple of minutes. So yeah, I feel like now is a good time to take this out, about 5 hours. And plus, I guess that's a good way to test and see if someone doesn't want to wear this overnight. Like if you'd rather put this on in the morning, if you know you're going out somewhere at night, just so you can like clean the house, do some errands, and then take it out when you're ready to go. So maybe this is gonna be like my new go-to on the weekends, we'll see. But I was like laying down for a while, like Henny and I were watching a show. So we watched a few episodes of that, like we had kind of a lazy night tonight, and it was like comfortable. Like I thought it was gonna be like annoying on the back of my head, but it was very comfortable to wear. I didn't feel like I needed to like readjust or anything, so I really like how comfy and soft this actually is. So I had to point that out, but I think we could just like take it out and see what happens. So I'm gonna untie these scrunchies and then we'll see what kind of a result we get. So let's just go. What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Oh my god. You guys, this is curly. I was not expecting this. Let me like run my fingers through a little bit. Okay, so it's a little bit like crazy. Like I'd probably have to do a little side part. And it's giving, I don't know, but I feel like I like this. Like obviously I would hairspray this, or I would let the curls like come down a little bit and then I would hairspray this. But I'm actually kind of a fan, you guys. I feel like these curls turned out really nice. And again, think about it. This is like 5 hours wearing it. I didn't have to wear this overnight or sleep on it to get like curly hair. So I am beyond impressed. Like this is kind of mind-blowing, and I have a strong feeling that this is gonna be my new curl technique, because I'm very lazy when it comes to actually curling my hair with a hot tool, and I always manage to burn myself when I do that. So I'm loving this. I feel like this looks really cute. It looks like I used like some kind of a hot tool. Sorry, I'm getting hair in my mouth. But yeah, it looks like I used a hot tool to curl my hair, and it just looks really good. So I am totally here for this method. I think it's worth it, especially if you're like in a hurry with things and you don't think you're gonna have time to do your hair. Like I feel like this really didn't take much time. Obviously this was the first time that I tried this, so I was like learning it and learning like my technique and stuff. So I feel like once I get the hang of it, it's gonna take me literally no time. And then just when I'm ready to go, take it out of my hair, like run my fingers through it, get some hairspray going, and I will be set. And I'll actually have curly hair, which I never do. So I love it. I think this is a super fun method. Don't put heat on your hair. So I just think this is really cool. So I'm gonna give this 2 thumbs up, but you guys let me know what you think about how this turned out, what my curls look like. Let me know if there's any other like fun things you want me to try, because I am very open to stuff like this. I think it's a lot of fun. So just let me know. Yeah. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.